Welcome to our website. We here for you. www.autolocksmithdallastexas.com. Are you desperate from auto locksmith problems, and you can't solve it? If you locked out of car, or lost your car keys, and became worried because your car was locked and your baby crying inside it, you don't have to break your car glass to pick your key from ignition. You just need our help. Pick up your phone now and call us on 214-427-4463. You can enjoy with our offers: 15% new lock change, 20% off rekeying services, 30% off on second key ignition. Don't hesitate and call us immediately to save your money. Remember that your satisfaction is our priority. We accept all payment methods. We are 24-hour mobile services. We just wait your call to help you.